Hi everyone, Laura here from Dragonfly and my trusty treat testers Dolly and Reggie. Today I want to talk about something a bit different but really handy to have in your dog's treat cupboard: charcoal biscuits. They might not sound exciting, but trust me, these little black biscuits can make a big difference, especially for dogs that get a bit gassy, bloated, or have the occasional tummy wobble. So these biscuits contain activated charcoal, which is basically a natural ingredient that works like a little sponge in the digestive system. It's been processed to have loads of tiny pores that help bind to toxins, gas, and impurities, stopping them from being absorbed and helping your dog get rid of them naturally. We often recommend them for dogs with bloating, wind, diarrhea, or just general digestive discomfort. They can help calm and settle the gut, and many owners find them a total game changer for smelly pups or unpredictable tummies. They're also useful for freshening breath and supporting dental health. Charcoal has mild abrasive properties that can help gently reduce plaque and keep teeth in better shape. But it's important to say charcoal biscuits aren't a fix for bad breath caused by things like dental disease or digestive issues. If your dog's breath is really pongy, it's worth checking for an underlying cause before relying on treats to just mask it. I use charcoal biscuits daily as a bedtime snack for Dolly and Reggie. Dolly is prone to the hunger pukes in a morning, but I find that by giving her 2 of these biscuits at night, we've managed to almost eliminate this problem. I do have a video relating to the hunger pukes, which I will link for you up here. Customers often ask whether they're safe. It feels weird to be feeding charcoal to our dogs. Yes, they are completely safe, but like most things, it's about moderation. Too much charcoal can cause constipation, interfere with nutrient absorption, and reduce the effectiveness of medication because it can bind to the good stuff as well as the bad. So always follow our guidelines and check with your vet if your dog is on any medication. We recommend starting with just 1 or 2 biscuits and then seeing how your dog reacts before building up to the suggested daily amount. So for small dogs up to 15 kilo, 1 to 2 biscuits per day. Medium dogs 15 to 25 kilo, 2 to 4 biscuits a day. Large dogs 25 to 50 kilo, 4 to 6 biscuits a day. And giant dogs 50 kilo plus can have 6 to 8 biscuits a day. There's a few more details to note. These biscuits are grain and gluten free with no additives or fillers, which makes them great even for sensitive dogs. Charcoal is classed as a detox ingredient, but it shouldn't be used to mask serious symptoms. If your dog has consistent digestive issues, bad breath, or seems off in any way, it's best to get them checked out properly. If your dog has eaten something they shouldn't have, like chocolate, raisins, or grapes, please go straight to your vet. Charcoal biscuits are not a substitute for emergency care. And if you're wondering how it's made, activated charcoal is usually produced from things like coconut shells or hardwood, processed in a way that gives it those super absorbent properties. We only use food-safe charcoal that's been properly purified and prepared. So that's the scoop on our charcoal biscuits, a handy natural option to support digestion, freshen breath, and help your dog feel a bit more comfortable when things aren't quite right in the tummy department. If you've got any questions or you're not sure if they're right for your dog, just give me a shout. I am always happy to help.